Now for the news in detail. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today laid the foundation for the Williamnagar Urban Water Supply Project under Phase 1 of Amrit 2.0 in the presence of Shri Kaushal Kishore, Union Minister of State, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs and PHE Minister Renington Lingdo Tongkhar. Speaking on the occasion, the Chief Minister said that the government has sanctioned Rs 121 crores and the project will cover 7,229 households in Phase 1. Yesterday, he launched the flagship program Rural Backyard Piggery Scheme under National Livestock Mission for the benefit of farmers at Birnihat in Ripoy. Speaking on the occasion, Sangma said that the state, through Progress scheme, envisions to tap opportunities by ensuring that the farmers earn sustainable livelihood through different livestock farming activities. During the launching of the scheme, 4 piglets were distributed to farmers to promote pig breeding to provide regular income to farmers.
NDA government has done its best to reach out to different farmers, producer groups and different families in the rural areas. Be it our milk mission of 209 crores, be it through the piggery mission of 214 crores, be it through different self-help group programs where 4.5 lakh women today are engaged in this program, and close to 320 crores have been dispersed to different self-help groups